Mary Lyon is a hardened campaigner.
We have been campaigning since 1978.
This is her in Germany last year, where she fronted up executives of a German pharmaceutical company, Bayer, over a pregnancy pill she believes harmed embryos in the womb and left children with life-changing malformations.
Mr. Baumann, will you finally give justice to the victims of Primodos?
For the moment, no pictures.
Okay.
Sky News has followed her campaign for 9 years, and sometimes it seemed her only emotions were pure grit and determination. Not today. Today's independent report says the UK government should make a fulsome apology over failing to protect patients who used Primodos, and the state and the manufacturer should fund the cost of care for those who suffered.
I'm trying to be very calm, and I can't. It's a fact. It's been acknowledged. They've actually looked at the documentation honestly and openly, and for me that is the biggest result for our families today. They will be absolutely overjoyed.
Primodos was a hormone-packed pill given to women by GPs in the 1960s and 70s that would induce a period if the woman wasn't pregnant. But some parents believed it caused miscarriage, infant deaths and malformations. Mary's daughter Sarah was born with a shortened limb. Over the years, we've met alleged victims who've grown up with difficulties, including spinal damage, limb defects and heart problems. How do you feel about the fact that it is the patients who've had to bring this to light?
I think it's a scandal. I think it's an appalling thing. I think it is showing really that the healthcare as a system doesn't work.
Do you agree with Baroness Cumbridge that this is a scandal?
Yes, I want to issue on behalf of the NHS and the whole healthcare system, I want to issue a full apology to those who've suffered and their families, for the frustration, for the time that it's taken, that they've taken to get their voices heard.
The review was set up after a Sky News documentary uncovered new evidence of a link between the drug and malformations in archives in Berlin, including that a UK regulator conducted a 5-year study demonstrating an association, but that he later destroyed his evidence. We gave the review team written and oral testimony about our findings from Germany.
Well, humans aren't guinea pigs. They're not lab rats. The fact that he did this study for 5 years is in itself damning enough.
The review team agreed. Their report says Primodos should have been removed from the market in 1967, 11 years before it finally was, and after more than 1 million women had taken it. Do you think the manufacturer of Primodos should apologise?
I think they should not only apologise, I think that they should recognise what has happened, and I think they should give ex gratia payments to those people who have suffered.
But German company Bayer, which took over the manufacturer of the drug shearing, says it won't be volunteering payments. It maintains that scientific evidence does not support an association between the drug and malformations, and cites a UK regulator's report from 2017 that said the evidence wasn't strong enough. But this battle has now shifted, with the government acknowledging a failure to protect patients. Jason Farrell, Sky News.